How to change a Titan water heater. First things first, you turn off the circuit breaker. Water heater, 1, 2, 3. Turn this one off for measure 2. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect it from the wall. All right, so after you got it unplugged, turn off the water. All right, so now we're going to disconnect this one and this one.
The water supply.
Should have 2 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. Take them off. Just so you know, when you take the 2 screws off, you just pull these out. Pull it out, both of them. Okay. All right, with the new one, you have to put the brackets on. So line it up like that. All right, we just put it back in and tighten up the fittings. You might have to splice your wires a little more, and then we're gonna run it through the box and then hook it up. All right, so if you have 2 black wires coming out of the wall, it doesn't matter which one you're gonna add it to, the white or the black from the water heater. All right, so the green light is on to let you know that the unit is on. But only time it's gonna heat up the water is when you turn on the water. This is what happens when you turn on the water.
You already got a time.
Put it on hot. There you go. No, put it on hot. Right there. So there you go. That means it's heating up the water. So there you have it, real quick and easy.